In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install AdBlocker for Chrome fast. But before continuing, if this video does help you out, then consider liking and subscribing to the channel, because I post videos every single week. Alright, let's continue. So once you've opened up Chrome, head over to the top right, then select the puzzle icon. Then choose Manage Extensions. Head over to the left side and look for Chrome Web Store. Select that. And at the top where the search bar is, you're going to type in AdBlocker, then hit enter. Choose the first one at the top, which is AdBlock, block ads across the web. And head over to the top here and choose Add to Chrome. So now it says it can read and change all your data on all websites. So choose Add Extension. Then if you head over to the top right, you'll notice that it's going to start downloading. Then it'll say thank you for installing AdBlock, and if you go to the top right, select the puzzle icon, you'll see that AdBlock has now been installed. Alright, so we're going to test it out on a website. If we head over to the right side, it's going to say advertisement, and you're going to see a bunch of ads showing up here. Head over to the top right, look for the puzzle icon, manage extensions, then enable AdBlock. So now we go back and restart the website. And as you can see here, the advertisement on the right side will disappear. And it's that simple. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.